Dito tayo ngayon sa Vimo Jollibee. We're just waiting for them. While waiting, let's have some little drinks, guys. We have here Royal, which is my favorite. Vitamin C. I don't know this guy, so but I only see a V12 Mercedes-Benz Maybach. Wow nakita ko yan. Ingat kayo. Oh, and they said hello. Crazy. But yeah. So I don't know why. I don't know why these Muslim people have to take pictures. So we're just waiting for them to come down. Then we'll go ready. I think we'll go first to Avita. I guess that's our first like look-alike destination. This guy's crazy. Tomorrow what we'll do, we'll probably go to Bruno's at around after the gym, right? We're gonna do gym tomorrow. I didn't know this. And you know when I was taking the video. There's these two beautiful Muslim people. And then they were waving back. Cool, sila, diba? Wow, this little girl is beautiful. If I had a little sister, I want her to be very beautiful white, very skinny, everything. So yeah, chill muna tayo dito. I don't know why my stuff keeps falling. You're grabbing the weather today, guys. It's crazy, huh? Yeah. So tomorrow after gym, we'll start the gym early. We'll most probably go out mga 6 or mga 7. We'll bike from 7 till about 9. 7 to 9. Head back to the gym mga 10, 10:30, 10:15. Start at 15 sharp till 11. Para maaga tayo matapos. Kasi I have to leave at around 4:01 for Green Hills. So. kanina when I went around Gino, parang I noticed something. When you go around Gino kasi guys, much better you drive the back. Kanina I asked yung Rish, diba? It's okay with her, now I'll treat her to lunch. I really did. McDonald's lang, diba? While we were there, we were eating. So it's either tomorrow, yeah, this week. It's either tomorrow, yeah. You're actually from China pala. Fairness. Kawanan pa more. Ingat kayo. Most of the people when they were waving to me, I think they were the ones. Pero grabe kanina when I was driving my Fortuner. Kuya Fitz, all of a sudden may jeep. Tapos, may tao. Why is not the Brad? Pare. Pastos mo. Alam mo, president namin to nung muntik na pinanggam. President sa akin. Kuya Fitz, ako nagdadrive ng kotse ko. Muntik mo ako sa gasahan ng bangga. Alam mo, mabilis ako mag-drive mag-simulate. Sorry Albert. Nari ba kayo? Hindi. Punta kami yan sa Tagaytay. Kung ano, I'll treat you for lunch. Sige. Mag-meet tayo sa Jollibee. Sige. Imagine you go out at this hour, relax na tayo, diba? Tapos your car is just parked here, no? Tapos yung karap mo, kasi Angel, si Jennifer, diba? Si Angel and Jennifer were here in front of my car. Tapos hindi mo alam. Siyempre, walang ulan, diba? 5 minutes? Someone called it rope. There's some hot rock to get you right on the road. Right here. Di pa, no? Labas? Hindi pa. Customer pa, no? Tapos mga 10:30, mga 2 o'clock. I saw them here, they were waiting for their Lala move. Siguro mga 5 minutes. He says, wait, wait for Angel, oh. Angel went to my car. Hi, baby. Hi, babe. How are you? Hey, come on, come on. Just waiting for someone else, for people to come out. Ano naman, dito lang. Bakit? Suggestion ko, pero masaya na kahit ano. Tapos Sabi wala pang 10 minutes. Maalis na ako ng drive. Shit. This is 8-year-old or 12 years old. Ano, lumapit sa coach ko. Sabi niya, hi baby. Oh, hi. Ano, yung parents ko umalis. Then, kailangan ko pupunta din sa lugar na napuntahan ko. Oh. Okay. The guard is asking me to do this. Oh, you see me, I have a contact here. She rode in my car, we went to this Legrand or tapos mga 10 minutes. Went to this place in BGC. Alam mo when I went down, I saw Haley. For the first time. I saw each other. Oh, hi. Hey Andreas, how are you? Good. Doing anything? Today I have I have to go back. Where? To maybe to BGC or something? Yeah, what? No big deal. So yeah, we'll just wait for them now. They're supposed to be coming out of the module. We can wait for them. This is a place where I chill, relax, matambay. Yes, ano pala kanina, no? Alam mo, yung isang babae lumapit sa coach ko. Maganda siya. Ganun ka pa. Lumapit sa coach ko. So I'll be uploading some videos later regarding the burger ka. So, kanina, when I got out of my car, walang tao. Hindi nyo ba alam, si Mylan dito, nandito yung coach ko. 5 minutes, sabi ng first one, I go. The girl is named Nadia. It's okay. She's not throwing my girlfriend. What? Lagi away. Bro, you're... Watch this. Ayun na naman. Ano ba ninyo? Jollibee na naman. Sige. Kain kayo. Ganda nyo. Happy eat sa inyo. It's very nice. Very kind. Hindi ata patapos. tomorrow will be either we wear shorts or pants tomorrow. Actually, I love these pants. The only thing I like them. I really want to wear tomorrow is si Sarah one time. She was so excited to see me. She ran and she hugged me. Tapos, all of a sudden, someone started to run, pan April's body, pat her face, head. For 10 minutes, the guy started to break her arm. Here's the plan. I will ask Tito Al and Tita Jane if I can use their car pag nasa America na sila. So who will take care of their cars, right? Ako, if I was the one driving, I would take care of it the whole deal. Like for example, they'll go, is it Andreas? Yes. Whenever they'll tell me, Andreas, can you take care of our car for a few years? Yeah, of course. Finish pala yun. Actually, if I would get the number of Irish, I would ask her. Siyempre, gusto ko magaling suot niya. Mamaya pa yan si Myla, mamaya talaga. See ya. Let's go.